So, as our starter, I want you to have a go drawing a nurse and label them. You can either use the worksheet that I've got, or if you can't print anything out, just have a go at drawing a nurse on a piece of paper. And when you're labeling and drawing them, can you think about these things? What do they look like, and what are they wearing? All right. So draw the nurse and label and show me what they look like. What are they wearing? How do you know that that is a nurse? Can you pause the video now? Once you've done that, have a think about this. So, I imagine that most of you will have drawn women as your nurse. Why? So, next to your picture, I want you to tell me why you made your nurse a woman. Okay, have a think about that. Why didn't you draw a male nurse? Alright, so now we're going to have a look at some famous male nurses.